All English Podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to All English Podcasts. Today's topic is super useful. We're going to the doctor. If you've ever felt nervous about speaking English at the doctor's office, this episode is for you.
Oh no, the doctor? I already feel sick just hearing that word.
Relax, Jack. Today you're not really sick. You're just learning how to talk to a doctor in English.
Good, because I hate needles.
Don't worry, no needles here, only good English. Let's start with the first step, making an appointment.
Okay, so imagine I need to see a doctor. I call the clinic and say, I want doctor now?
Not quite. That sounds like a caveman English. When you want to sound polite, say, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Got it. I'd like to make an appointment.
Perfect. Let's do a full example. I'll be the receptionist and you'll be the patient.
Okay, here we go.
Good morning, City Health Clinic. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I've been coughing a lot lately, and I think I might have a cold.
Okay, the doctor is available tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
That sounds perfect, thank you.
Excellent. That was natural and polite. Let's go over some key phrases. I'd like to make an appointment means I want to see the doctor, but politely. What seems to be the problem means what's wrong, but it's softer and more formal. And Jack said, I've been coughing a lot lately. That's the present perfect continuous tense. Great for describing symptoms that started in the past and continue now.
So if I say, I've been feeling tired lately, that works too?
Exactly. You sound like a real patient now.
Oh no, I am starting to feel tired. Maybe it's the grammar.
Grammar never killed anyone, Jack. Let's keep going. Now, you've arrived at the doctor's office. You walk to the front desk and meet the receptionist. Let's practice that.
Okay, I'll try.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, with Dr. Miller at 10 a.m.
Great. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you shortly. Nice job, Jack. Let's break that down. Do you have an appointment? Means have you already scheduled a time? Please take a seat means sit down politely. The doctor will see you shortly means you'll meet the doctor soon.
But when they say shortly, they mean 1 hour later.
Sometimes, yes. English doesn't control time, only words. In English-speaking countries, when you go to the clinic, it's polite to say, good morning, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smile, even if you feel terrible.
So I should smile and say, I'm dying, but thank you.
Maybe not that much. Just be polite and calm.
Good morning, Jack. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I've had a sore throat and a stuffy nose for about a week.
Have you been taking any medication?
Just honey and lemon tea.
That's good. Let's check your throat. Say,
Is it bad?
No, just a little red. You probably have a mild infection.
Let's review some key words. Sore throat means pain in your throat. Stuffy nose means your nose is blocked. Medication means medicine. And mild infection means a small or not serious infection.
So if the doctor says, you have a mild infection, it's not serious?
Exactly. It's something that can be treated easily.
Good. Because I still have plans this weekend.
Priorities first, Jack. Notice how the doctor said, what brings you in today? That's a natural and polite way to ask, why are you here? Never say, what is your problem? To a patient, that sounds rude.
Yeah, that sounds like something my teacher would say after a test.
Exactly. Okay, last step, you go to the pharmacy to get your medicine.
Hi, I need to get this prescription filled, please.
Sure, do you have any allergies?
Only to studying grammar.
Jack, that's not a real allergy.
Okay, take 1 tablet twice a day after meals.
Got it. Wait, how many is twice a day again?
Morning and evening, Jack. Try not to overdose on vocabulary either. Let's review all the important expressions from today. 1. I'd like to make an appointment. 2. I've been coughing a lot lately. 3. The doctor will see you shortly. 4. What brings you in today? 5. I need to get my prescription filled. 6. Take 1 tablet twice a day.
Can I say, take 1 vocabulary lesson twice a day?
Yes, that's the best medicine for your English. All right, time for a quick quiz before we wrap up. Question 1. What does stuffy nose mean? A. When you eat too much. B. When your nose is blocked.
B. I know this one.
Correct. Question 2. What does mild infection mean? A. A very serious infection. B. A small, not dangerous infection.
B again? I am a genius now.
Okay, Dr. Jack. And that's it for today's episode, English at the Doctor's Office. We hope you had fun learning useful vocabulary, natural expressions, and real-life English you can actually use. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us keep creating more fun English lessons for you.
Yeah, and maybe send me some vitamins too. I feel smarter already.
That's the best side effect of learning English. Take care, everyone, and stay healthy.